If you get a chance, please subscribe to the channel and check me out on Twitter and Facebook, whatever. Okay, here we go. Solve the equation. -4 parentheses x blah, 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 blah. Okay, we just got a straight up equation here. We're going to do some straight up solving. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, what we want to do is we want to focus on each side of the equal sign by itself, because we're not doing any opposites, we're not doing anything tricky, we're just doing regular math. 2 plus 2 is 4, etc. and so forth. Okay, so let's solve it. Let's start with the left side. Anything we can simplify inside the parentheses, because remember we use please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Start with our parentheses. Okay, we can't go in there. Next thing to do is exponents, not any there. Now we do multiplication. Now, what you have here is a straightforward distribution model. You're going to have to distribute that -4 to both of those in there. A lot of people just like to drop that parentheses off there. You can't do that, boss. It's not allowed. So, -4 times x is -4x. And then 10 times -4 is -40. And then we bring down that -6 and it's hanging out. Now we can go ahead and do the right side of the equation. There's nothing inside the parentheses we can solve, so we'll distribute that -3 to both, just like we previously did. -3 times x is -3x. And then -3 times -2 is +6. Two negatives make a positive. Two wrongs make a right. Okay, now here's the deal. We still got some simplifying to do before we can start going across that equal sign, so let's keep everything on their sides. Can anything combine with -4x? No, sir. So it stays where it is. Now, -40 minus 6 can. It'll be -46. Becomes a deeper negative. Anything on the right side simplify? No, ma'am, and no, sir. Okay? Now let's go to the next one. Here we go. We're going to start pushing stuff across the sides. I always like to focus on the x's first, okay? Our goal is to get x by itself, so I don't know. I just like to start with it first. Remember, what I always tell you is start with the lowest number of x's, okay? You've got -4x and -3x. We want to get the lower number to the other side, because really it's just easier to deal with positive, and plus everybody likes a positive person. So -4 is lower, so we're going to add 4 to both sides. I'm sorry, add 4x to both sides. That cancels out. That's -46. That becomes positive 1x, which, what is anything times 1? X. Plus 6. Now, we got to get rid of this little 6 over here. He's the only thing hanging out with the x we need to get rid of, because that part right there kind of saves some steps. So subtract 6 from both sides. That goes away. X equals -52. And that is our answer. We're done, unless I messed up. If I did, please tell me in the comments, and I'll take this off like it never happened. Alright, hit him with the outro. Okay.
Hey, thanks for showing up. Give me a subscribe and check out tarveracademy.com. Pizza?
You heard the man. Check out tarveracademy.com, Facebook, Twitter. I got another YouTube. If you could, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'd really appreciate it. P.S. You look very sweet today.